Why the fuck is music here?
I don't know. I just played a sad version of the USSR anthem.
No, no, no.
Out of all the fucking times my game decided to take long to load.
Final speech, man. Final speech. Come on, bro. Tablet simp, move out, move out. Bro. Salute, everyone, salute. What the fuck is this? He's finally
Alright,
Yeah, there we go.
this is gonna be hard. Alright, I joined FM more than a year ago. I met some amazing people here. Made awesome friendship.
Do
Bruh.
do it again.
Alright, as I said, I've been in FM for more than a year by now. And I met some amazing people right here. Made some awesome friendship. I also made some enemies, like the worst people I ever met were here, but also
Matt, don't.
the best people.
CDZ.
Yeah, were here. And yeah, this is kind of hard for me to say that I'm leaving this community to move on in life and achieve my dreams.
Hello, it is I again, John Maximum. Some of you might know me by the old brigadier. Don't shoot him. Bruh. I was the first brigadier or a colonel in FM for almost, I forgot how long, but I think 5 months, I think. And I've been with Matt and Waterfall with me since the beginning of Frontier Militia. As soon as I retired or left Frontier Militia and take a break for 3 months, Water decided to take up the step of my seat as the brigadier. Waterfall has been with me for around almost a year now, right?
Yeah,
Yep. Ben, we're at the Carcass Hill. So, it is quite a sad day today. I didn't to be this soon. It's quite sad. He's in the air. Fire. Fire at will now. And then sad music, please. Sad music. Turn on the podium.
Me.
Let's go to Spencer for a while.
Other you were probably one of the most coolest people I met in the internet. All I want to say is thank you, and you are better than Matt.
Fuck. The battery died. Fuck.
Run there and we can just shoot.
I will find your house.
Elegant.
IRL.
This is sad, man. Oh, don't shoot his horse. Don't shoot his horse.
don't shoot him! Don't shoot him! Whoever shoots him gets demoted.